So let's continue. Today we will complete elements of ethical principles in business. Okay, in this class. Okay. So what are the elements? First is identification. Now, first in a business, you have to identify what are the ethical issues that you are facing. What are the ethical issues you are facing? Correct. So first identify the ethical issues that you are facing. Suppose for making a product, the society or the environment is somehow getting polluted, but that product is equally important for the society. Now what will you do then? How to manage this? How will you manage? So first identify the problem. What is your exact problem? First identify that. Correct. Next, evaluation. Now evaluate your problem. This is the problem. This can be the probable solutions. My product is important, is in demand, but my product is causing harm to the society. Now evaluate it. Go in, do in-depth analysis. How can you sort this problem? How can you sort this issue? Right? So first is what? Identify the problem. Identify your problem. Identify the appropriate ethical issues in the business. Next, evaluate it. Evaluate it. Then imagination. Before taking any decision, think about the society. Before taking any major business decision, it is necessary for the business executives to think about the society, because the business is running, the business is standing in the society, and so we need to think about the people around us before taking any major decision. Correct? So imagine how a problem could be solved. Imagine what the society will feel if this product is banned or if this product is not banned. First identify your ethical issue, then evaluate it, and then imagine. Next comes imagination. Imagination of what? About the society's reaction. Is it okay? Next comes tolerance. Now, suppose, what is this? Ethical disagreements. Tolerance means ethical disagreement. Suppose a tobacco company or a alcohol manufacturer. Suppose a tobacco company, the tobacco company is selling tobacco. Now, selling of tobacco is ethical if you look at the business side. But selling of tobacco, is it ethical for the society? So here comes ethical disagreements. Tobacco selling is not at all good for the society because tobacco causes cancer. We all know that. So what is the way out? But selling tobacco, fulfilling all the rules and regulations that a company is required to fulfill, is ethical. Of course ethical. Because I am not hampering anything. I am not disobeying any law. I am just selling my product. But this product is harmful for the society. Now here comes ethical disagreements. Few will say then ban tobacco. Few will say why you will ban tobacco. Give a declaration. And that's the reason why the ethical disagreement was solved. Why? How? You will see in every packet of cigarette it is written tobacco causes cancer. We are selling a product after informing, giving warning to the persons who are consuming it that it might cause cancer. So purchase, think before you purchase. So here the ethical disagreement got solved. Correct? So in solving these ethical issues are many. First you need to identify those issues. Make an in-depth analysis, evaluation. Then think about the society's reaction, what will happen or what will not happen. If a product is banned or if a product is not banned. Next comes ethical disagreements. Now, what is ethical disagreements? I told you, tobacco, alcohol. And alcohol, I guess it's written or not, I don't know. I have never seen a bottle, anyways. But in case of tobacco, yeah, I know that. It's in the packet, it is written, tobacco causes cancer. So we are warning you. My company is warning you that it might hamper your health. Now it's up to you. I have given a clear declaration, I have given a clear warning. Like in case of insurance, advertisement, insurance policy, are subject to market risk, entire conditions given. You will see conditions are written very, means we have to use a microscope to see those conditions. It's always condition applied. Because we are saying it. So if somebody claims, then in the next moment, the insurance company will say, we have already said that. Correct? We have already said that. We have given a condition. You have not read that. So, in this manner, ethical disagreements are solved. Next, obligation. Now, it is our obligation, it is a business executive's obligation to fulfill whatever the ethical elements are. In decision making, if a business executives are making some decision, then the ethical obligation must be fulfilled. The ethical needs must be fulfilled before making any decision. Competence, obviously, you have to look into the ethical issues with the society's ethical issues. Means both business ethical issues and society's ethical issues should be looked upon. The way they looked upon was that what they declared it that it is dangerous. Now it's up to you. Business ethical issues also saved. Society's ethical issues also saved. So both we have to look into. Not only business ethical issues but also the society's well-being. What the society is accepting. Next, trustworthiness. Of course, if we cannot gain trustworthiness in the eyes of whom? Stakeholders. I've told you stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders? They are the investors of the company. They are the creditors of the company. They are the debtors of the company. They are the shareholders of the company. They are each and every member of the company. Each and every person who is interested in the company. Those are known as the stakeholders. So we need to gain the trust of those stakeholders because a business completely runs on them, because of them. Totally dependent on them. Without debtors, without creditors, without manufacturers, suppliers, without anybody, not a single person, if I miss a single one also, my business won't run properly. Correct? So trustworthiness, gaining the trust of them is very important, and this could only be gained if the business is fulfilling not only the societal ethical issues but also the business ethical issues. Then only the goodwill of the business firm will increase. Correct? Why the companies are making CSR these days? Corporate social responsibility. Why they have to fulfill that 2% one? Need of 2% to invest in CSR activity. Why they are doing? Because these companies are big companies. So these companies are actually harming societies in many manners. In order to compensate that, they are benefiting the society, giving certain benefit to the society by involving in CSR activities. Can you say that these telecommunication companies, whatever they are all these are harmful for the society? Everything is harmful for the society. Excessive anything is harmful for the society. The more the technological development is happening, the more and more technology is advancing, the more and more our earth, our planet is getting destroyed. The resources, the scarce resources are being used so much that in future there will be no such resources available for our future generation. So alternative ways are being found now these days, so that we could save those scarce resources. Correct. So now next, confidentiality. Obviously in a business organization, maintaining confidentiality is very important. It's very important because we have the details of the shareholders who are actually the members of the company, details of the promoters who are actually the owners of the company. So we need to maintain every details. We will need to keep those details very safely. And the last is openness. Openness means the business should open, the business should be clear about its goal, and the clients, whoever is involved, whoever there are stakeholders, must be clear about what the business is aiming for. The business is accountable to its stakeholders. So these are the ethical principles. These are the what? Ethical principles. Identification, evaluation, imagination, tolerance, competence, trustworthiness, confidentiality, openness. Clear? Okay. Only today up to this much. Thank you, class. In the next day we will continue with morality, integrity, law, and ethical dilemma. We will start either ethical dilemma or moral. We will start with moral only. Okay. Employee moral. Okay. Thank you, class.